Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Google account sync is pause problem on Chrome. So, if you already signed into your Google account in Chrome, but then when you want to open it again, you notice that the sync is paused. You can see at the top right corner that the status is now sync is paused. And if you're wondering how you can fix it, you watch the right video. So the first thing that you need to do is just click on this pause options, and as you guys can see, sync is paused and you need to sign in again. They will ask you to sign in again, so you can just tap on this sign in again button and just fill in your email or phone. Tap on next, write your password. After that, click on next again. And just like that, now the sync is back on and your problem is solved. You can see sync is on now, and that's it. So I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. And if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. You can leave a comment if you have still more, if you still have more question. And please don't forget to click on thanks and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.